Well, good evening, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I've got a dollar store and a Shoprite haul, and a little bit of chit-chat. So I'm not going to do it in order because it's all before me. This is from Shoprite, and these are the Utz potato chips, the Red Hot, and then I got the Utz potato chips and the Ripple sour cream and onion. This is for the girls for tomorrow night. You got plain potato chips. And then I got, let's see what I got. Oh, I got some Thomas's English muffins. Over there. And then I got these for my hummus. They're wheat bread, pita bread. Got that for my hummus. Then, the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is like, I didn't go to the I went to the big one. Got some of these. This is the Dollar Tree one. These were 4-in-1, and these are Airwick. So we got Magnolia. I got, well, my husband got these. Fresh water. I got Hawaii. It's exotic papaya and hibiscus. Okay. And then I got some of the Dollar Tree. My husband got these to take with him. He's going fishing this weekend. So we got that. Then he got the paper cups. Those were actually a Shoprite. Those were 99 cents. Let me put this in the bag. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. Just had to go shopping. And then I got some Swiss rolls from the dollar store. And I got some Italian water ice that I didn't put up yet. I will. You know I can't be without that. Not in this house. And then I got some of the shortbread cookies. These. I got my Jumex. I got 4 of these and all they had was guava nectar. I got 4 of these. I'm not going to take them all out the bag, but I got 4 of those and all in guava nectar because that's all they had. This is Shoprite. This is the different one. I got some. He got some hamburger rolls. Oh, they're buns. Then he got the pies, coconut cream, French apple. He's just taking with him. Another French apple. Another French apple. And one more coconut cream. So I'm going to put these back in the bag because he's leaving Sunday. He's going fishing for a couple of days. And I'll be here by myself. I'll be in our room. Yeah, this is the dollar store bag. Those are all mixed together. He got some peach cups. Some peaches. Oh, this is upside down. The peach cups, and this is the Island Choice. There's peaches in there. Got 2 of those. Then he got some candy, some peach rings. He likes those ones. And some orange slices. Put this over here. I'll put these over here now. And then Shoprite, we got some onions. He got some strawberries. This is $1.98. Nice looking strawberries. Okay. 2 of these. Then we got some cooking oil from Shoprite to take with them because they rent a cabin or something. I don't know. I've never been there and never will go. We got some Crystal hot sauce. Got a small thing of mayonnaise. Got some small thing of ketchup. And then he got small thing of Woodlands mayonnaise. This is the stone ground Dijon mustard. And then he got some peanut butter. So those will go with him. Shoprite. We got potatoes. Okay, we got. This is Dollar Store, Dollar Tree. I got some Angie. I ate one. I did. I got some Angie's Boom Chicka Pop. And these are white cheddar popcorn. He got some sour cream and onion in these in the stacks. And some sour cream and onion in the stacks, Lay's stacks, and mesquite barbecue in the Lay's stacks. And then we got some spring rolls from the Dollar Tree. Those are going in the freezer as soon as I get finished. Then I got at the Dollar Tree some ginger snaps, and he got some mini ravioli to take with him. Because I said they have a kitchen and something simple. And I got one of these. This is spicy ginger. It's WB spicy ginger craft soda. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to try this. I like ginger beer, so. No, this is Shoprite. I got some mug treats. I got hot fudge with fudge topping for the girls to make in the little microwave. And then we got together, but he got the Lance new toast cheese. This is real spicy cheddar, and he can take those with him. I got 2 of these for my grandchildren. Two of the Yo Crunch milk M&M vanilla. They're both vanilla. So those are for my grandchildren. Because they'll be here when they one big small about 2, and that one will come over after school. So that's what's from the house. She's got 2 weeks of school. She will be going to the 4th grade next year. Having fun. Well then, this is Shoprite. He got some pork and beans and the Campbell. So we got 5 of these for $1.19, I think. Something like that. He got some Spam. I do not like Spam. I don't understand it, but I've tried to eat it. He got some strawberry jelly. Heat it up for a minute. I need this so kind of light. And this is the Dollar Tree. I got some of the crackers that I like. These are the Monet vegetable crackers. I love these. And then you got some more mini ravioli. I'll put this on. Yeah. Shoprite. I got some Tyson honey barbecue, the chicken. I'll enjoy that. And then he got some bacon to take with him. And then well, this is some cheese. I got some Sargento 3-pack balance breaks. And this is Shoprite cheddar cheese, sea salted cashew, and golden raisin bread. I love these to snack on. But believe it or not, he's more of a snacker than I am. You can tell by what he buys. This is also some of beans and franks. Let's see, beans and franks. Then you got a 6 packs of tomato juice. Then from the Dollar Tree, I got some bread. I know you were wondering, when's the bread coming? And I got my wheat bread. Put it out in the freezer so I can have it later. Well, I don't need it as much now, but you know, like when it snows and stuff, I put it out there. Then I got, this is the Tasty Cake cherry pie. And the Tasty Cake. They had a whole display of Tasty Cake and cherry pie glaze. And I got these napkins. Look at the patterns on there. Isn't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? It's 1. This says Dream Big, 2. This is 3. And this is 4. I like these. I'm going to do some Mod Podge. I might not do it tonight. I'm supposed to do an art tonight, but I might not. Because we just came from the store. And then, got some soy soap, chocolate milk, got some of his goldfish. Got 3 different kinds. Here's another one. Oh yeah, okay, here's the other one. I was wondering about this. This is, because these were 2 for $6. This is the balance. And this is also, we got cashews, cherry juice infused, dried cranberries, and spicy cheddar cheese. I got six of those all together. We got 2 of the Ritz crackers. One for upstairs and one for downstairs. And he got Oreo cookies. I didn't even see these, the thin ones. Got the thin crispy sandwich cookies, and these are the vanilla, I believe. Yeah, it says doesn't say vanilla, but they're not lemon or anything. They're vanilla. Got 3 more bags and then I'll be finished in a minute. I'm just looking at the then from the Dollar Tree I got flip-flops for Ari, pink ones, and I got these for Angel, the little blue ones. And then he got these, there's 5 in the package, but the package broke when it came outside somehow. And then he got some Tootsie Rolls. And then from Super D's we got, eggs. These are all right. We got 2 dozen of these. And these are large brown eggs. They were 2 for $5. And these are Land O'Lakes eggs, and those are usually pretty expensive. So, I'll put those up in a minute. Oh, this is more Jumex. And then last but never least, you got 3 of the sweet teas. And that's kind of it. So if you like this, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. And then I love you. Take care. I'll try to come back and do my art. If not, I'll do it tomorrow because it's been kind of a busy day for us. I mean, look, like I said, it's been just trying to get everything back into perspective again. But I love you. Take care. God bless. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.